History Akbar. Akbar the Great Regent 1556-1605 was the third and arguably greatest Mughal emperor, expanding the empire across the Indian subcontinent through military strength and shrewd diplomacy. Born in 1542, he took the throne at age 13 under Regent Bairam Khan. Known for religious tolerance and culture patronage, he introduced the Salahi Pul universal peace policy. Birth, early life and association. Birth, born on October 15, 1542 in Umarkot, Sindh to Mughal Emperor Humayun and Hamida Banu Begum. Childhood, raised in a period of exile and struggle as his father had lost the empire to Shah Suri. Association ascended the throne in 1556 at age of 13 following his father's sudden death. Regency under the guidance of Bairam Khan, he secured his position at the second battle of Panipat against Himu. Expansion, he brought most of the Indian subcontinent under his control. Administrative reforms, developed a high organized central government, introduced the Manushabdari system for military and civil administration, and reformed tax collection. Military technology, improved upon gunpowder technology, muskets, and used camels, elephants for warfare. Religious tolerance, although literated, he held a great interest in theology, inviting scholars of all faiths, Hindus, Christians, Parsis, and Muslims for discussion. Policy changes, abolished the discriminatory jizya tax on non-Muslims and pilgrimage taxes on Hindus. Alliances, marriage Rajput princesses such as Jodhabai, cementing alliances with the powerful Hindu Rajput warriors. Arts and horticulture, his court was a center of culture and literature. He commissions the building of the city of Fatehpur Sikri and the Agra Fort. Initiated the documentation of the Akbarnama and Aini Akbari. They died on October 27, 1605 due to illness. Buried in a magnificent tomb at Sikandar, Agra. Legacy known as Akbar the Great for his administrative, culture, and political genius, which created a unified empire. তোমরা সবাই সাবস্ক্রাইবটা দিয়ে দিও।